Charging multiple devices every day can be a hassle: tangled cables, messy desks, and slow charging speeds. But what if one device could power them all? This 3-in-1 wireless charger is built for Apple users. With MagSafe technology, your iPhone attaches securely and charges at lightning speed. On the side, you've got a dedicated Apple Watch charger, no need for an extra cable. And at the base, a wireless pad for your AirPods. Just drop them on and you're good to go. It has switch angles showing all 3 devices charging at the same time. 3 devices, 1 charger, all working together seamlessly. It has foldable design for adjusting or packing it. Over temperature protection, over current protection, under voltage protection, short circuit protection. This 15W fast charger ensures your charging safety. The foldable, travel-friendly design means you can take it anywhere from your office desk to your nightstand, or even on the go. It has LED indicators glowing softly while devices charge. It's compact, stylish, and eliminates the cable clutter we all hate. Wide shot of all devices and AirPods. This is the ultimate charging solution. 1 station, 0 mess, total convenience. At Tech Nest, you can discover the future of gadgets. Don't forget to subscribe, like for more gadgets.